Well guys, nothing screams South Florida quite like a nice good morning sun shower. Here it's our first, well not our first one, but first one under my company's name, Las Olas BoatWorks. You can check us out at www.lasolasboatworks.com or even on Instagram, lasolas_boatworks. Reach out to me if you guys have like any questions or want to do a rebuild or something, or want to just finish a project. Reach out to me and I'll give you guys a little estimate or whatever. We'll go from there. In this video, we're just gonna basically remove the stringers and bulkheads. Easier said than done. Well folks, that pretty much wraps up the gutting out of a 20-foot SeaCraft. Our next video is going to be with the bulkheads and stringers getting glassed in. But first, we're going to have to make a grid on paper just so we know exactly where things are going to go, like storage boxes, gas tank, fuel tank, village area, plumbing, foam. All that stuff needs to go into consideration before you even, start glassing. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned to the next one. Peace.